Once there was a small bird named Leo. He lived in a big green forest with many other birds. But Leo was different. He was afraid to fly. Every day he watched other birds flying high in the sky. They looked happy and free. Leo wanted to fly too, but he was scared. One day a strong wind came. Leo fell from his nest and started falling down. He became very frightened. Suddenly, he spread his wings. Something amazing happened. Leo started flying. He moved his wings again and again. Soon he was flying in the sky just like the other birds. Leo realized that he was always able to fly. He only needed courage. From that day, Leo became the bravest little bird in the forest. Moral: sometimes we are stronger